Alright, so I just thought I would show you how I reheat the reheat the mac and cheese. Nothing to it, dead simple, but I just thought I'd go through and show it anyway. I've just boiled the kettle. I just boiled it before I pressed record because it's a bit noisy. But because I stored the cheese sauce like that, just in the pot, put it straight back onto the heat, and that'll burn very easily. So medium heat, got that in a 4, and we'll keep an eye on that. So I just boiled the kettle. I'm going to make a quick cup of tea as well. And all I'm going to do is just pour the boiling water. There's that. Pour the boiling water over the pasta. Just to kind of, you don't have to boil it again. I'm just going to pour a wee bit of boiling water over the pasta like that. It's a wee bit soon actually. Just to kind of loosen it up, rehydrate it a wee bit, warm it a wee bit, and then we're just going to drop that into the cheese sauce. That's all there is to it. So just the main thing is keeping an eye on this cheese sauce, making sure it doesn't burn, and then breadcrumbs. So the end result will be identical to yesterday, just obviously in a fraction of the time, but just exactly the same. I'll put a wee bit of olive oil on the breadcrumbs. A wee pinch of salt on them as well. Actually, I should have done that yesterday. But yeah, it might be a bit simple to show you this, but I could have put all the pasta into the cheese sauce yesterday and just stored pasta and cheese sauce together, and then you could just microwave it. The problem with that is that it's not, it's a bit dry. This way, I mean, I could add a wee bit of milk into this if it was too thick, but I'm not going to. It looks fine. But yeah, if you put the pasta, if you mix all the pasta with all the cheese sauce, and then eat half and then microwave the other half, it's not as good, you know. This gets you almost identical kind of results as we got yesterday, which is, you know, after having cooked it from scratch. Almost there. So yeah, just pour the boiling water over the pasta. This is all it really needs, just to warm it a wee bit, unstick it, rehydrate it a wee bit. It doesn't need to be boiled, you know what I mean? Just that's fine. And then plonk that into the cheese sauce. I even was really lazy and stored it in the colander, so. Cheese sauce is starting to bubble now, so add the pasta, and then once that bubbles again, then it's ready for the grill. It just makes it a nice quick bit of lunch today, after all the work that we did yesterday to make the cheese sauce, to boil the pasta, do the breadcrumbs, and now it's all dead easy. It's a nice, you can see that, nice spring day today. I think it was the hottest day of the year yesterday, the 20th of April yesterday, hottest day of the year. I think it was 20 something degrees, 21 today, so I'm getting outside and doing some bicycle maintenance today. That's bubbling now, so we can turn that off. Same dish as yesterday. Cheese first this time, try and do it right. Leave that. I have that with a bit of toast later on. Won't use it all. And that's just one slice of bread, and I used half of it yesterday, so. Grill was right up at high. I'm going to turn it down to the low setting now, just so it doesn't burn. And as usual, once you've done this quick cleanup, that should be pretty much done. That's all there is to it. So if you do those two portions like that, and then you store it in that way, then the reheating of it's dead easy, but you still get pretty much exactly the same result as you would do if you're doing it from scratch. Try and not let it burn this time. Looks really good. I think we won't go too far this time, we'll call that done. Yeah, well, we shall call that done. So, it blackened a wee bit too much the last time, so hopefully you can see that. All wet. There you go, nice and toasted. So that's the reheated version of yesterday's mac and cheese done.